So guys, thanks even more than me came about the Python, and today's Python video I'm telling about the in the Python and what are the sum of two numbers. Means that in today's video of Python I'm telling you about the solving the simple mathematical problems in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about it. So see the video, start do it, and please like this video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the solving the simple mathematical problems in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about it. So let's get started without wasting any time and let's solve the simple mathematical problems. First, sum of two numbers. In this example, we are summing the two numbers. Okay, means we are sum of two numbers. Let me show you how. Only come on your Visual Studio Code, create a new window, create your file, any name, and give the any name to your file. I'm giving the name index.py to my file, and then I'm making my file in my document. Anywhere you will make it, it's your own choice. Okay, I'm making in my document, and then my file has been made it successfully. Yes. Now when my file has been made it very successfully. Yes. So now let's write a code. So let me paste the code. What here we can do here, first of all, we make our two variables. First variable name is num1 and second variable name is num2. And in the num1 I store my data value 5 and in the num2 I store my data value 10. Then I write here sum underscore result. Here I make one more variable, and in this variable I write like a signed operator. Then here I write like my first variable name, and then I write plus operator, then second variable name. Then in the first variable name there are the figure is 5, and in the second variable name the figure is 10. So then figure 1 num1 plus num2 means like num1 figure plus num2 figure 10. Okay, so then it will plus then give me the output. How it give me the output? Because first of all I write here print function, like print function is often used to print the things. Then in the double commas I write like the sum is, then and ratio, then I write like comma, then here I write like my third variable name sum result, then save it and run it. So it give me the output should be 15. The sum is 15. Here you can see it. Why? Because 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Why it give me 10 plus 5 is 15? Because I write here num1, I write my first variable name, then plus second variable name. So that will give me the 15. Number 2, area of circle. This is our area of circle. Here you can see it. How to find the area of circle? To find the area of circle, you will be find it very easily. Let me show you how. To find it, you only want to do it, only come onto your command prompt and then write here import math radius. Okay, import math. Okay, it is giving me error because I do not make it in another line, that's why. So now it not give me the error. Here first of all I write my module math, and then I write like radius variable, and in the radius variable I write like 7, and then I make one more variable about the area. In this area variable I write like math.py multiply by radius multiply by 2. Then in the print function I write like the area of circle is, then I write like my variable name like area, then I save it, and it should give me the output will be the area of circle is 153.93 like this. Okay, why did it give me like this? Because when the calculator, when you divided like 7 7 not, let me come here, when you define here area, okay, like 7 multiplied by 7 49, then 49 multiplied by 2 98. Okay, I am not understanding this. Okay, so but anyways, like that you will be find the area of circle like this. Now number 3, if you finding the largest number, how to find the largest number? Let me show you. Like in this code we are finding the largest number. Here what we can do here, first of all I created 3 variables. First variable name is a, second variable name is b, and third variable is number name is c. And in the first variable I write like 12, and in the b variable I write like 8, and then in the c variable I write like 20. Then I write like largest. In the largest equals to max. Then in the equals to max, then there are like a, comma b, comma c. Then When I write it, so then I say print the largest number in the largest variable. So that it give me like 20. Why? Because in the C variable I like 20, and 20 is very bigger than 8 and 12. So let me show you. Here you can see it. Here you can see it give me 20. Like that you can do it. Or if I do not write here C variable, so it give me A variable, because A is bigger than B variable. Okay, because in the A the figure is 12, in the B the figure is 8. Number 4. How to check if a number is even or odd. Like in this example, we are checking the number is even or odd. If you check a number if even or odd, so you simply write this code. Okay. Then here what we can do here, I first of all create a first variable by the name of and equals to 50. Then I write like if statement number multiply modules 2 equals to 0. Then I say print, then I write like my number variable, then I write like is even, then I write like else statement, then I write like print, then I write like number is number variable, then I write like is odd. Then I save it and so give me 15 is odd. Okay, like that, because 15 is odd number. If I write here 1, so give me the 1 is odd. Like if I write here 2, so give me 2 is even. Okay, if I write 4, so 4 is also the even. Or if I write 6, so 6 is also the even. Or if I write 8, 8 is also the even. Or if I write 5, so 5 is an odd number. Okay, like that. Now number 5, simplest interest calculation. If you simple interest calculation means, let me write this code, copy and paste it. Here what we can doing here, first of all I create a variable by the name of principal equal to 1000. Then I will be rate of interest equal to 5 in percent. Then I write like time equals to 2 in years. Then I write like simple interest like equals to principal multiplied by rate of interest, then multiply by time divided by 100. Then in the print statement I write like the simple interest is, then I write like simple underscore interest. Okay, then I save it and run it. Should give me the output should be the simple interest is 100.0. Here you can see like that. Why? Because if you when you multiply like principal multiply by rate of interest multiply by time and divided by 100. Okay, so it give you this type of outputs. Okay, this 100. Let me show you. In the principal we write like 1000, and then in the rate of interest I write like 5. Then in the time I write like 2, like 5000 multiply by 2, so 10,000, and 10,000 divided by 100, so equals to 100. So that's why it give me the output should be 100, like that. Now number 6, factoral of number. If you found the factoral of number, so you will found it very easily like that. You only want to do it, you only first of all write here your math module. Then here you write like in the number function you write your figure 5. Then you write like factoral math.factoral number. Then in the print statement you write the factoral of, then you write here number variable is, and then you write here your factoral variable. Save it and run it. Should give you the factoral of 5 is 120. Okay, like that it is giving you. So like that you can also find the factoral of a number. Number 7, sum of first and natural numbers. Okay, you will also find it like this. Okay, you only want to copy it and only want to paste it. And then here we write in the n variable I write like equals to tan figure. Then in the sum multiply sum underscore natural I write like equals to n multiply by, and the rounded brackets are n plus 1, then divided by 2. Then we print the sum of first, then I write like in the curly brackets and the natural number is, then I write like some natural output. Let me show you. 7 and it should give me output should be it is giving me 55. Why? Because let me show you, when n multiply means 10. Okay, let me show you. 10 plus 1 equals to 11, and 11 divided by 2 equals to 55. Okay, so that's why here 55, like that. So let me know if you want to more examples or deeper explanation for any of these. So tell me in the comment section below. But in today's video of Python, I told you about how to solving the simple mathematical problems in Python. So I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also never miss or any future related videos about the Python. So now I'm meeting next class in next video. Amazing, like that type of very amazing type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.